Step-by-step guide on how to use ginger leaf to control blood sugars naturally. So you're welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ginger leaf to control your blood sugar level naturally without any medications. Do you know that the leaf of ginger, not just the root, can help you control blood sugars level naturally? Many diabetics ignore this powerful part of the plant. Today I will show you step by step how to use ginger leaf to manage diabetes and boost your overall health. When Mrs. Amina discovered her fasting blood sugars was always about 200 mg per deciliter, she thought only expensive drugs could help, but an old herbal doctor told her about ginger leaf, not just the root. She followed this same method I will show you today, and within 10 days, her sugar dropped to 130 mg per deciliter. Naturally, no expensive medication. So here how to prepare ginger leaf properly for diabetes management. First thing you need to do is to pick up to 10 to 15 fresh ginger leaf. The tender ones are the best. Okay. 2. Rinse them well under clean water to remove dust or soil or any infected substance from it. And number 3, boil 2 cups of water, that is 100 ml of water, in a pot. You add the ginger leaf and let it boil gently for 10 minutes. Okay. 5, allow it to cool a little, then strain the liquid into a clean cup. That's your ginger leaf tea, mild, aromatic, and very effective. Now for best result, drink 1 cup early in the morning before breakfast and 1 cup at night before bedtime. Okay, do this daily for 2 to 3 times weeks. You can also mix ginger leaf teas with a small squeeze of lemon for extra detox and fat burning effect. Ginger leaf contains natural compounds like gingerol and zingerol. These improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammations in the pancreas, and slow down how fast sugars enter the blood. They also improve blood flows, meaning your cells can absorb glucose better. That's why people who use ginger teas regularly notice more energy, less fatigue, and better digestions. Always avoid using too much. 1 handful of leaves is enough per day. Don't combine these directly with your diabetes medications. Wait 2 hours after using them. And pregnant women or those with stomach ulcer should take smaller amount, but it's best if you consult your doctor before taking it if you're pregnant or you have ulcer. Now here is the bonus tip for you. To make it more powerful, combine ginger leaf tea with moringa tea, alternative in the morning, okra water for controlling frequent urinations, and also combine it with avocado fruit for healthy fat and heart protections. Before we go, here is a recap. I said wash and boil your ginger leaf. Drink 1 cup mornings and night. Combine with healthy food like moringa or avocado. Stay consistent and check your blood sugars regularly. This simple natural drink can make a bigger difference in your blood sugars control. So don't wait until it's too late. Try it today. I'm Shaibu from Shaibu Health Talks, your diabetes awareness coach. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Someone needs this information today. So before we go, like I said earlier, I just released a book, Diabetics Reset Niger Food That Heal. This is a content of information I share in this video and more. So if you want this book, click on the link on my bio on TikTok. It will take you directly to my seller.com's account where you can purchase the book for 3,000 naira or send me a message on WhatsApp. Then I'm going to send you details on how to make the payment. Then I'll forward the book to you. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.